Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you want a better life for yourself and your family? Why wouldn't you want to have time and financial freedom? Why wouldn't you want to be part of a loving community we call family? Why wouldn't you want to be able to help somebody else? Why wouldn't you want to give back to help projects that really do make a difference? Why wouldn't you want everyone to have the chance of being here with us? Why wouldn't you tell as many people about it as possible? Why wouldn't you want them to see what we can see? Why wouldn't you be as excited as we are about the future? Why wouldn't you want to know that our products are going to revolutionise the internet world? Why wouldn't you want to harness this modern artificial intelligence? And why wouldn't you want to be part of a company where there is no religion, no borders or racism? Why wouldn't you? You can with Onpassive. My name is Redfern.